Hi, my name is Starr Penn, and I am a leaky gut coach. And I currently run a course that I created on Authority Accelerator, and it's called the JIA Blueprint. And JIA stands for Juvenile Idiopathic Arthritis. So I help moms who have kids with juvenile arthritis to navigate that whole entire road from emotionally to physically to get their child healthy and thriving again. Before I enrolled in Authority Accelerator, I was a licensed life coach and health coach, but really I was operating as a hairstylist. That was my day job. And so while on the side, I was offering advice and helping friends and family with their gut issues and different health problems. I was just doing hair, just dreaming of one day really being a coach and helping people. So since I've enrolled in the Authority Accelerator, my whole life has really completely changed. It's been gradual, but I've been able to really learn how to be an authority in my niche and deliver information to people in a way that really makes a difference in their life. Before that, I was just hoping that I could one day help people on the scale that I am, and I couldn't even imagine on a one-on-one coaching level how I'd ever be able to impact people's lives the way that I'm able to now, with the way that the structure of this coaching program that Sunny has taught me how to set up. Some of the things that I achieved inside AA has been amazing, because when I first started, I didn't have anything. I had a zero email list. I did not have a YouTube page or any kind of presence online whatsoever. I did not have a single sale. So to say that I started from the bottom, I started from the bottom with just a dream and a desire to be this person, and I had not achieved anything beforehand. So it's really quite amazing, because with all of the training and all the coaching and all the support that I've received inside the Authority Accelerator, I now have a booming business. I have an email list that's growing every day. I have a YouTube channel that is gradually getting more and more subscribers, and every single year I'm topping what I make income wise. Every single year my business just keeps growing and growing. If anybody was considering investing in the Authority Accelerator Program, and you've really done your homework, you've looked and you've checked out other programs, I would absolutely say go for it. In my opinion, Sunny is the best. She really does care that each and every person inside of this program gets these results, and it's evident with the people that I'm surrounded around and the results that people around me are getting. I will say that this is not a program for you if you think that success is just going to be handed to you. It does take a lot of hard work, but the good news is, and what I've really appreciated, is that everything is presented in baby steps and it's doable. And so as long as you're willing to do the work, and as long as you realize that this isn't something that's going to be handed to you, and it may or may not take you as long as it did me, it's very likely that you could get success even sooner, because I've seen it. But absolutely, if you're in that position and this is something that you've been thinking about doing, I would choose Sunny over any other program out there, hands down.